Hey guys, and I'm doing some coding today. I just figured out this cool coding where you could just change your screen color by a click of a button. So in the design, I decided to put two text areas that would almost take up half of the screen and put a tiny gap in the middle, so I could fill in a color there so it would look cool. And I put a change background so that when they click the button, the background will change. And remember that it's button 1. That you might want to keep that in mind for later. So here, as you see, I've grabbed the on event button, this button, and I've placed it like this. I've placed the on event button like this, and inside the on event button, you'll be putting something like set property, and then set property, and set property. So, and remember, you want your on event ID to be what your this button's ID is, button 1. So that's what your on event ID will be. And then this is text area 3 and text area 2. So, and set property right next to it, put text area 2, text area 3, and in the design, just this tiny slim gap, you see it's screen 1. So you'd also want to put screen 1 in here. So now, in where it says width, you want to do the drop down and you want to do background color instead. Scroll down and look for background color, and it'll come up with red. And then after that, you took RGB, and inside brackets it will say 255 0 and 0. Remember not to take this one with 0.5 in it, just these ones. And after you wait for some time, they will turn into these blocks. And look, you can look for yourself. They will turn into those blocks. So then you'll click random number and you'll place it in the middle of there. You'll place it. Try placing it. I suggest you place it at the end. So place all random numbers at the end, but place them inside these zeros and 255. So place them inside all of them, and after you've done that, inside of it, do 0 and then 255 for all of them. 0, 255, 0, 255, 0, and 255, 0, 255. It's a bit of a long process, but I'm telling you it's worth it. And it's 255 in here because 255 because there are 255 different colors in this code.org, the colors you can pick. So 200 different varieties of colors in this code.org color section. So after you've finished all of these, you're basically done, and you can just mess around with your design. And remember, I only put these text areas because those are all I had. But if you want, you can try messing around. You can try being more creative and making them shorter and putting more. You never know; it could turn out into something good. So after that, and I'll just take away this one because they're 2. Okay, so this one's here, and then as soon as I press run, it will start changing into different colors. As you can see, the middle screen is also changing because of what I've added. So it's just something cool to look at the different color combos and everything. And remember to hit that big subscribe button on the bottom of the screen and the like button. Till then, bye bye.